Choosing a new food processor can be a difficult decision, so here are 5 things to look for in a food processor. Capacity, versatility, functionality, color, and cleanup. The first thing to look for in a food processor is capacity. From the 3.5 cup food chopper, perfect for chopping herbs, grinding spices, or making sauces, to the cordless 5 cup food chopper, the 7 cup food processor, the 9 cup food processor, and the 13 cup food processor, KitchenAid has the right size for your needs. Another important thing to consider in a food processor is versatility. For some makers, versatility means portability, like in the case of the cordless 5 cup chopper. With no cord, you have the freedom to get creative and make wherever, whatever, and however you choose. Chop up to 40 onions on a full battery charge. A quick 10-minute charge still lets you chop up to 11 onions. An included battery charger works on all products in the cordless collection. For others, versatility means being ready for anything. That's where the 13 cup food processor excels. With the KitchenAid 13 cup food processor, you can chop, mix, and puree with the stainless steel multi-purpose blade, shred cheese, vegetables, and more with the reversible fine and medium thickness shredding disc, and even knead with the dough blade. Next, functionality. Some KitchenAid food choppers and food processors offer more functional features depending on the model you choose. Our food choppers offer you the ability to chop, mix, and puree, and the 5 cup models come with attachments so you can whisk, whip, emulsify, stir, and churn cream into butter. Large capacity food processors like the 7 cup food processor, the 9 cup food processor plus, and the 13 cup food processor offer a variety of functions with their multiple blade attachments and variable speeds. Functionality increases along with capacity, so the higher you go, the more possibilities unlock. Our food processors embody the same great design ideals that have made KitchenAid the standard of quality in kitchen creativity. No matter what your kitchen style, KitchenAid has a food chopper or food processor to match your workspace. Finally, it's time to clean up. All KitchenAid food choppers and food processors are designed with cleanup in mind, featuring smooth finishes and rounded edges. Plus, each model comes standard with its own dishwasher-safe work bowl. Once everything is clean, storage is easy. Each food chopper and food processor offers easy in-bowl storage for all their accessories. Whether you're looking for a high-capacity, high-functionality food processor to unlock unlimited possibilities, or a portable chopper that lets you glide around your kitchen while you chop, mix, and puree, KitchenAid has the cordless and countertop food processor that suits your needs. Explore more at KitchenAid.com today.